I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Friday. I want to talk about some good news, right? So a lot of you guys might be asking after yesterday's video, what stock ended up winning the Instagram challenge? If you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, I totally understand. I wanted to have fun with how the market is kind of performing right now. The market pulled back a little bit, and I wanted to allow our followers on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok to participate on where I invest $10,000. I gave three options: CVNA, which is Carvana, ticker symbol T, which is AT&T, and DraftKings. DraftKings was the highest risk, highest reward. I knew right away that was going to be the winner just because everyone wants to see the greatest return. You guys decided, and as you guys can see in the screen right now, I took a little bit over $10,000 position today on DKNG because you guys selected that to be the winner. So I went in with, if I'm not mistaken, 225 shares. It's about $10,100 as of right now is its current value, and I'm very excited to follow up with it. One of the things that I want to talk about is, let's talk about some good news. Market today, it's not doing horrible. If you guys look at the NASDAQ market as of right now on the Webull platform, that is IXIC, you guys can see that on the 4-hour time frame, it pulled on back, right? We hit all-time highs at $14,211 a share. It pulled on back and it hit lows of nearly 13,000. That was a very strong support level. And this pullback should not have scared you, right? One of the things that we've said so many times before is the market has to breathe. Pullbacks are great for people that are going for long positions because it just simply gives you a better price point to average up into your position. So it's really nice that it pulled on back. It found a support right around that SMA line, and now we're back above the SMA line. So although today is not a necessarily green day, and a lot of the stocks in the market right now, especially tech stocks, are either hit or miss. Some are green, some are red. But regardless on what side of the spectrum it's at, it's not either really green or it's not either really red, which is, I think, a step in the right direction. It's really cool to see that the market pulled on back and that it's already trying to recover. We're above EMA on the 4-hour time frame. We're above SMA, which is a step in the right direction. And we're one step closer to working towards the overall NASDAQ market being at 100 or at all-time highs. And why is this important? Why does the NASDAQ market matter? Well, the NASDAQ market is a composite of a lot of tech stocks. And you guys have most likely probably have seen the correlation when it comes down to, I just look at the meme back there. Let me go ahead and zoom up on that. But you guys probably have seen the correlation between a lot of tech stocks and the NASDAQ market or the NASDAQ index because of that big focus on tech. So I'm very excited to see that the NASDAQ market is now trading above the SMA line. It gives me the confidence to average up into my positions. And as you guys saw on Instagram, if you guys follow me on Instagram, yesterday I posted an update where on stocks like Peloton, really quickly, Peloton today finally broke above $100 a share. It hit lows of $78. We are now trading above the SMA line. It doesn't have to continue to uptrend, but it's a step in the right direction. A very common support level was $100. We broke below that. Old support levels become new resistance levels, and now we broke above $100 a share. I have a $50,000 position size on PTON. I'm very excited to share that I'm in the green on that one, right? So I averaged up into my position as it began indicating signs of an uptrend. And there are a lot of other stocks, right, like that I have been investing into. Spotify is still very oversold, but it still has a lot to prove. So I did add more to that one, but not like I did with Peloton. Peloton is more quickly recovering. Something like Spotify as of right now is taking a little bit longer, so I'm being a little bit more conservative, and I am in with a lighter position, about $20,000 to $30,000 in that one. And the other stocks that follow, such as Netflix, such as Pinterest, I have lighter positions on those as well. I just wanted to update you guys on the overall NASDAQ market. I wanted to congratulate everyone that selected DraftKings as the stock to invest $10,000 into. And if it actually begins to indicate signs of an uptrend, as you guys can see as of right now, DraftKings has a lot of potential for a recovery. From where we're at as of right now to previous 180-day highs, it's a 63% potential. And being completely honest, if DraftKings actually begins to indicate signs of an uptrend, and what does that mean? Well, if it begins to break above $50 a share, that will only give me the confidence to want to invest more, right? Because we want to put more money into stocks that are showing signs of growth. So I'm excited to follow up with it. I hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. Make sure to comment down below what your thoughts on DraftKings are based off of the current price point at $45. Do you think it's going to continue to sell off? Or do you think that it's a decent deal long-term, right? I wouldn't mind holding this position for a longer period of time. And again, I did it with a dollar amount that is tasteful. And this is one of the things that I've tried to emphasize throughout all of my videos is put yourself in a position to succeed. No one says that the market has to recover next week, next month, or the next series of months. So why would you go so heavily invested in any position right now when direction is so unclear? Yes, we are above the SMA line on the NASDAQ market, which is a step in the right direction, but it still has so much to prove. So all we ever like to encourage you to do is to make sure you have a plan, entry, exit, stop loss. There's 2 sides to every opportunity, and simply put yourself in a position to succeed that your future self will thank you for. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope you earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please stay connected. If you're brand new to trading or brand new to investing and you're looking on new ways on how to connect with other like-minded people, the first link down in the description is our absolute free Facebook group, over 312,000 members all over the world. And again, it's going to get you one step closer to your overall goal, and that's connecting with like-minded individuals. Again, first link down below if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as Monday. Our live trading sessions are exclusive for our LPP team, and we'll see you for our live trading session. That's that second link down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.